The Boating Adventure, channel update number 78. I hope that you've been able to have a look at my last video, which went out yesterday, and that concerns our visit to look up Reuben Chappell, who was a pierhead painter, and it took us to Goole. I've often been past Goole and through Goole on my way to a holiday as a child, but we never ever stopped there. So it was quite fascinating to actually go and stay there for the day and have a really good look around, and there's some really very interesting architecture and some historical sites there. It was interesting to note that something I didn't know that was the fact that before 1826 there was absolutely nothing there. The whole town has grown up since 1826, when the air and colder navigation decided that they needed to create a transport hub there in the form of a port, which would allow goods to be taken down the air and colder canal and then onto the River Ouse and then onto the Humber and out to the North Sea. So it became England's most inland port, some 50 miles from the sea. So it's quite an interesting thing, really. So if you haven't had a chance to have a look at it, do have a look at that video. My next video will go out on Saturday the 18th of May 2024 at 8 AM, and that will be a video about what I've been up to this last week. Basically I've spent the whole week at the Swamp Duck. I've been doing lots and lots of repair jobs, and also I've been doing some upgrading. So that's mainly what the video will be about, but not exclusively. So join me for that video at 8 AM on Saturday the 18th of May 2024. So thank you very much for all your support, and I'd just like to welcome all the new subscribers that seem to be joining the channel at a fast rate of knots. It really is very, very encouraging, and I'm not going to be far off getting that magic number that you need to be monetized on YouTube. I can see it happening in the not too far distant future. So keep the good work up, guys. Thank you very much for all your support, and as always, do take care.